Imagine staring into the abyss of space where secrets older than time itself hide in plain sight. For 12 years, scientists have held their breath, waiting for a telescope to unveil truths that could rewrite everything we know about the cosmos. That telescope is Euclid, and its first images have finally arrived. Jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, and utterly mind-blowing. These aren't just pictures, they're a window into the universe's soul, revealing galaxies so distant they whisper tales from the dawn of existence. If the James Webb Space Telescope left you speechless, brace yourself. Euclid's revelations are about to shake the foundations of science and ignite your imagination. Launched on July 1st, 2023 from Cape Canaveral, this marvel of engineering embarked on a quest to unravel the universe's deepest mysteries. It journeyed 1.5 million kilometers to Lagrange Point 2, a cosmic sweet spot where it hovers in perfect harmony with Earth, shielded from the glare of the sun and moon. From this vantage point, it gazes into the void, capturing light that's traveled billions of years to reach us. Its mission? To craft the most detailed 3D map of the cosmos ever attempted, a 6-year odyssey to chart the unseen forces shaping our reality, dark matter, dark energy, and the very fabric of space itself. What makes these images so electrifying? It's not just their beauty, though they're stunning enough to make your heart skip a beat. It's what they reveal. In October 2024, the first glimpses of this cosmic map arrived, and the scientific world erupted. These aren't ordinary snapshots. They're a cosmic treasure trove packed with details that challenge everything we thought we knew. From galaxies 10 billion light-years away to hidden star nurseries, these images are rewriting the story of how the universe grew from a fiery spark to the vast, glittering expanse we see today. And trust me, the shocks keep coming. Picture this: a telescope with a lens so wide it swallows entire swaths of the sky in a single gulp. Unlike anything before it, this instrument captures billions of galaxies in razor-sharp detail, some so faint they've dodged every other telescope in history. Its resolution is 4 times better than ground-based surveys, and in the near-infrared, it's 15 times more sensitive. It sees things hundreds of times dimmer than its predecessors, painting a picture of the cosmos that's both grand and intimate. In one frame, you can witness the sprawling majesty of galaxy clusters and zoom in to spot individual stars twinkling across unimaginable distances. It's like holding the universe in your hands. But it's not just about what it sees, it's about what it reveals. Dark matter, that invisible force sculpting the cosmos, bends light like a cosmic lens. This telescope measures those subtle distortions, mapping how gravity weaves galaxies into clusters and filaments. It's a detective story on a universal scale, with clues pointing to how dark matter holds the keys to creation itself. And then there's the 3D map, built with 2 cutting-edge tools, one snapping ultra-clear images in visible light, the other diving into infrared to measure how fast galaxies are racing away from us. Together, they place every star and galaxy in a cosmic timeline, showing us not just where things are, but when. The excitement is palpable. One scientist called these images a revolution, saying they've never seen anything so detailed, so breathtaking. And that's just the start. Over the next 5 years, this telescope will scan a third of the sky, stitching together a mosaic that spans millions of stars, galaxies, and mysteries. It's already covered an area 500 times larger than the full moon, and that's only 1% of its final masterpiece. Every pixel pulses with discovery, from rogue planets drifting alone to star clusters glowing like cosmic campfires. Let's dive into the images that have scientists weeping with joy and wonder. First, imagine a cluster so massive it warps the very fabric of space. This is the Perseus cluster, 240 million light-years away, a cosmic metropolis of over 1,000 galaxies. But look closer. Beyond its borders, 100,000 more galaxies shimmer in the distance, each a story of creation. Scientists are obsessed with this image because it hints at dark matter's fingerprints. They believe it forms invisible threads, pulling galaxies into tight-knit families. Without it, the universe would be a featureless void, stars scattered like dust. This telescope spotted 630 dwarf galaxies here, faint whispers of light that no one saw before. These tiny galaxies are gold mines, their shapes twisted by dark matter's grip, revealing how it shapes the cosmos. Now, shift your gaze to a galaxy that's practically a time machine. NGC 6822, 1.6 million light-years away, is a chaotic swirl of stars, with barely a trace of heavy elements. It's a relic of the early universe, when stars were just learning to forge the building blocks of life. This image is a stunner, crisp, colorful, and impossibly vast, capturing the galaxy's full splendor in one shot. Unlike other telescopes that nibble at small patches, this one devours the whole scene, revealing star clusters and glowing gas clouds called H2I regions. These are birthplaces of stars, where light so fierce it rips atoms apart, creates dazzling displays. By studying them, scientists are piecing together how the first galaxies formed, a puzzle that's haunted us for decades. Next, picture a glittering ball of stars, so dense it feels like a cosmic party. This is NGC 6397, a globular cluster just 7,800 light-years from Earth. It's a frenzy of light, where bright stars drown out their fainter siblings. But this telescope cuts through the chaos, revealing dim stars at the cluster's edges, stars that hold secrets to our galaxy's past. Until now, no one could capture the whole cluster in such detail, not even Hubble. This image, snapped in just an hour, is a triumph, showing how stars age and move, like a family album for the Milky Way. It's not just science, it's a love letter to the stars. Then there's the hidden galaxy, Caldwell 5, a spiral beauty 11 million light-years away. It's been shy, hiding behind the Milky Way's dust and stars, but this telescope's infrared vision strips away the veil. For the first time, we see its arms in glorious detail, spiraling like a cosmic dance. This galaxy is a mirror of our own, a chance to study what we can't see from inside. Every star, every dust lane, tells a story of birth and evolution. Scientists are buzzing. How do spirals hold their shape? What role does dark matter play? This image is a key, unlocking answers we've chased for centuries. Finally, prepare to lose your breath. The Horsehead Nebula, 1,375 light-years away, is a cosmic sculpture, carved by starlight. Its dark silhouette against glowing clouds is iconic. But this image takes it to another level. Captured in a single hour, it's sharper and wider than anything before, revealing details that make your heart race. This is a stellar nursery where stars are born and planets form. Scientists found a rogue planet here, 10 times Jupiter's mass, glowing at 1,200 degrees Celsius. And there's more. Free-floating planets, tiny and elusive, dot the scene like fireflies. This nebula isn't just beautiful, it's a laboratory for creation itself. These images are more than eye candy. They're a wake-up call. They challenge our understanding of gravity, star formation, and the universe's expansion. Dark energy, that mysterious force pushing galaxies apart, might finally reveal its secrets through this telescope's lens. Every new picture is a piece of a puzzle, one that could redefine physics and our place in the cosmos. The data pouring in is already sparking debates, with some whispering that we're on the brink of a paradigm shift. Could these images hold the key to questions we haven't even dared to ask? The emotional weight of this mission hits hard. For 12 years, teams of dreamers poured their hearts into building this telescope, knowing they might not live to see its full glory. Engineers battled impossible odds, crafting instruments to withstand the void of space. Scientists staked their careers on a gamble that this machine could peer farther than ever before. And now, their faith is rewarded, not with cold data, but with images that feel alive, pulsing with the universe's heartbeat. It's a triumph of human spirit, a reminder that our curiosity can light up even the darkest corners of existence. But the journey's just begun. With years of sky left to scan, this telescope will uncover wonders we can't yet imagine. Rogue planets drifting in the void, galaxies colliding in slow-motion ballets, maybe even hints of life in distant stars. Each image is a promise, a vow to keep exploring, to keep asking why. The universe isn't just out there, it's calling to us, begging to be understood. And with every pixel, we're answering one breathtaking discovery at a time. This isn't just about science, it's about us. Every star in these images is a piece of our story, forged in the same cosmic fires that birthed our world. When you look at them, you're seeing home, stretched across billions of years. It's humbling, exhilarating, and a little terrifying. What will we find next? A truth that unites us? A mystery that changes everything? Whatever it is, this telescope is our guide, and its images are our map. So here we stand, at the edge of the unknown, with pictures that make our souls soar. They're proof that the universe is wilder, weirder, and more beautiful than we ever dreamed. And as this mission unfolds, one thing's certain. The shocks, the tears, and the wonders are far from over. The cosmos is whispering its secrets. Are you ready to listen? The universe just dropped a bombshell, and it's got scientists reeling. For over a decade, they've been counting down to this moment. 12 years of sleepless nights, audacious dreams, and a telescope named Euclid that's now rewriting the cosmic rulebook. Its latest images, fresh from the void in early 2025, aren't just stunning. They're a seismic shockwave, unraveling mysteries that have taunted humanity since we first looked up. If you thought the cosmos couldn't get any wilder, buckle up, because Euclid's newest revelations are about to blow your mind and tug at your heartstrings like never before. This isn't your average telescope. Launched into the starry abyss in mid-2023, it's parked at a cosmic crossroads a million miles from Earth, where the universe unfolds like an open book. Its job? To hunt for answers to questions so big they make your head spin. What's driving the universe apart? Why do galaxies dance in patterns we can't fully explain? And what's lurking in the shadows of space that we've never seen? With a lens that drinks in light from the dawn of time, Euclid's capturing snapshots of eternity, galaxies so old their glow left home when the universe was a toddler. And the results? They're nothing short of electrifying. In March 2025, a fresh batch of images hit the scientific world like a supernova. These aren't just pretty pictures, they're a cosmic crime scene, packed with clues about the universe's wild youth. One image alone holds millions of stars, each a pinprick of history, some shining from 12 billion years ago. That's light older than Earth itself, carrying secrets from when galaxies were raw and chaotic. Scientists are losing it, because these images don't just show beauty, they challenge the very laws we thought governed reality. Dark matter's ghostly pull, dark energy's relentless push, it's all laid bare, and the answers are weirder than anyone dared guess. What's got everyone buzzing is how Euclid sees the invisible. Dark matter doesn't glow, doesn't twinkle, but it bends light like a funhouse mirror. By mapping these distortions, Euclid's revealing a hidden scaffold, a web of unseen stuff holding galaxies together. The latest data suggests this web might be clumpier than we thought, with knots and tangles that could explain why some galaxies grow into giants while others stay small. It's like finding a blueprint for creation, and scientists are scrambling to decode it. One researcher called it the most thrilling puzzle of our lifetime, and you can feel the urgency in their words. Then there's the sheer scale of what Euclid's doing. In a single glance, it captures patches of sky so vast they'd take other telescopes years to cover. Its newest mosaic, unveiled just weeks ago, spans an area 600 times the size of the full moon. Imagine that, a tapestry of light woven from billions of stars, clusters, and nebulae, all in crystal-clear detail. Zoom in, and you'll spot a lone star forming in a distant cloud. Zoom out, and entire galaxy clusters swirl like cosmic whirlpools. It's a paradox of intimacy and grandeur, and it's got astronomers weeping with awe. One of the biggest shocks came from a corner of the sky no one expected to steal the show. A faint smudge, barely noticeable at first, turned out to be a galaxy cluster 8 billion light-years away, packed with thousands of galaxies colliding and merging. Euclid's infrared eyes caught something wild, streams of stars being ripped apart as galaxies crash, creating glowing bridges of light across the void. These tidal tales are rare, and seeing them in such detail is a game-changer. They're proof that galaxies aren't static. They're alive, constantly reshaping each other in a cosmic dance that's both violent and beautiful. Another image is pure magic, a star-forming region so vibrant it looks painted by a god. This nebula, glowing 2,000 light-years away, is a factory for new worlds. Euclid's latest shots reveal pockets of gas collapsing into stars, some so young their light is still warming the clouds around them. But here's the kicker. Hidden in the glow are dozens of rogue planets, untethered to any star, drifting like ghosts. These free floaters are smaller than anything we've spotted before, some barely bigger than Earth. Finding them wasn't just luck. It's a hint that the universe is teeming with wanderers we never knew existed. The emotional punch of these discoveries hits hard. Picture the scientists who've spent their lives chasing shadows, now staring at images that feel like a love letter from the cosmos. One image shows a spiral galaxy so perfect it could be our Milky Way's twin, its arms curling like a question mark, 15 million light-years away. Euclid caught every detail. Dust lanes, star clusters, even faint wisps of gas, hinting at new stars to come. For researchers, it's personal. They're not just studying the universe, they're connecting with it, feeling its pulse through every pixel. And then there's the mystery no one saw coming. Euclid's latest data flagged something odd. a handful of galaxies moving faster than they should. Dark energy, the force speeding up the universe's expansion, might be acting unevenly, stronger in some regions than others. If this holds up, it's a bombshell. It could mean our models of the cosmos are wrong, that there's a new force at play we've never imagined. The scientific world is on edge, with teams racing to confirm the find. One physicist admitted, "This keeps me up at night. It's exhilarating and terrifying. Every image feels like a gift, but it's the human story behind them that grabs your heart." For 12 years, thousands of minds, engineers, coders, dreamers, poured their souls into Euclid. They fought budget cuts, technical nightmares, and the crushing weight of doubt. Some won't live to see the mission's end, yet their work shines in every star. When the first clear image came through, a control room in Europe erupted in cheers and tears. It wasn't just data. It was proof that humanity can touch the infinite, that our questions matter. The stakes couldn't be higher. Euclid's mapping a universe that's 95% unknown, dark matter and dark energies we can't see, can't touch, but know are there. Its latest findings hint at a cosmos more complex than we dreamed, with structures that defy our textbooks. One cluster Euclid imaged has a shape so strange it's nicknamed the cosmic question mark. Its warped arcs and twisted light suggest dark matter might behave differently than we thought, maybe even interacting with itself in ways we don't understand. It's a riddle that could unlock the universe's origin, or leave us with more questions than ever. And let's talk about the beauty. These images aren't just science, they're art. One shows a nebula glowing like a cosmic opal, its colors shifting from emerald to ruby as stars ignite within. Another captures a galaxy's edge, where stars fade into darkness like embers in a dying fire. They remind us how small we are, yet how vast our dreams can be. Looking at them, you feel a lump in your throat, a mix of wonder and longing. It's the universe saying, "I'm here, and I'm more incredible than you ever imagined." What's next is anyone's guess. Euclid's got years left to scan the heavens, and each new image could be the one that changes everything. Maybe it'll find a galaxy that shouldn't exist, or a signal hinting at physics beyond our wildest theories. Maybe it'll spot a planet drifting alone, carrying clues to life elsewhere. Whatever it finds, it's pulling us closer to the truth. A truth that's bigger than science, bigger than us. It's about why we're here, what it all means, and whether we're truly alone. These images are a call to adventure. They dare us to keep asking, to keep exploring, to never settle for a universe we think we understand. Every star, every galaxy, is a piece of a story we're just starting to read. And as Euclid keeps watching, it's writing chapters that could make us laugh, cry, or scream with disbelief. The cosmos is alive, and it's whispering to us. All we have to do is listen and let ourselves be amazed. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of space. Your support makes it possible to continue sharing the marvels of the universe with the world. We can keep exploring the stars and uncovering the secrets of the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.